Ah, much better. The sun is today. I swear, Clank, I'm done with all the princess stuff. Now let's
Luigi?
save the universe and... I need a little Clank time.
If there is trouble, then it is our duty to ensure that...
What the fuck? What'd you do that for? Whoa, what are you doing?
I'm taking pictures for my school project.
Ah! Whoa, what are you doing?
I'm doing a report on heroes, and I recognize you from the newspaper. You're
Mama Luigi!
right?
Mama? Mama Luigi?
I was wondering if it would be possible to get some pictures of you doing some heroic action.
Well, I would, but there's really not much heroic work to do around here. Oh, I can lift Clank.
Die!
How about that?
I was thinking maybe you could fight some
Extendo Tower Solar Focusing Lens Ray.
or something. I know where you could find some.
I do have a massage scheduled in 15 minutes, but, oh, what the heck? I could use a bit of exercise. Come on, buddy. Let's put on a good show for our little reporter here.
Oh, come on!
Wow! I can't wait to show everyone the pictures.
Quark?
Clank! My boy, what are you doing here?
I am trailing Ratchet and Ratchet to see what they are doing, so I can join in on their next adventure.
Hey, that's what I'm doing! Dig down! No, wait, I mean, dig down! Dig down!
Do you not have somewhere else to go? Home to your family, perhaps?
How can you see into my eyes?
Hey, Quark. Nice
Penis.
Sorry, Quark. What? Was that your mother's
Penis.
or something? Seriously, dude. It's just a...
Penis.
It's not that. It's my mother. And my mother. I never knew my family. I was given up for adoption as a baby and was raised by...
Spaghetti! Okay. Thanks for...
Perhaps you should attempt to find your real parents.
There she is. Her.
Looks like I'm gonna be late for my massage. Let's go.
Target acquired. Proceeding to...
The Mushroom Kingdom!
I can't believe we lost her. Why would they want a little girl?
I do not believe they were after her. I believe they were after this.
Well, this is, what is this?
If my memory bank serves me correctly, I believe it is a
Dinner.
Might artifact.
Yeah, right. Seriously. This is, what is it?
It is a
Dinner.
Might
Look,
artifact.
Clank, that girl is in trouble and we can her.
Dinner.
Mites are just some fairy story that parents tell their kids to explain how technology works. They don't really exist.
I believe they do exist.
They don't really exist.
I believe they do exist.
No. Yes! No. Yes! No. Yes! No. Yes!
Some fairy, some fairy, some fairy, some fairy, something.
And And this could prove it. That is why those robots wanted that child to get this.
Did we? Did you? Did we? Did you? Ooh, that was quite a jog. Is that what I think it is? Oh, gimme, gimme, gimme! I haven't seen one of these since... Well, I've never actually seen one, but I've heard stories about the
Dinner.
fights and their mystical objects.
There are no
Dinner.
fights!
But this is our only lead. If you want to that girl, we should follow the coordinates etched on the side.
Fine. Let's get out of here. See ya, Quark. And please,